Blessing viewers, blessings. And right now, people, NEWLINK I got tell you this now, people. D0WN star, well, another artist, people, has been by the hands of the gun, people. And this time is a great artist, a Rasta artist, people, veteran of the business, who goes by the name of Rasnaldo, people. And not telling a lie, people, it is sad because Rasnaldo, people, was cut down in Kingston, people, along Morgan Drive in a Kingston, people. And me are telling now, people, it is really, really sad because it is said that on Saturday at about 11:30 a.m. residents heard the explosion, people, and when them alerted the police and called the police and a search was made, them find Rasnaldo suffering from gunshot wounds, people. You know what I mean? Them rush him to the hospital, and from there, people, he was pronounced dead. And this man have big song like Police and Gunman and Stop People. You know, so them they are two big track. And you don't know, people, remember say, you know, the other female artist there, Keshan, just cut short, and now a man has gone to the music business. It is just sad. It is just sad, people. If you know, say the gun just take out the artist them like that. And you know what I mean? A lot of people are mourn the loss of this man, because they must say this man was a great youth, a good man, and people as them cannot believe. You understand? And no motive has been, you know what I mean, held for this, and no one has been held for the killing. So the police, them do them investigation of that thing of people, and all we ask the people them for is just peace and love. But we don't know how the devil let loose and just a cut the man them life like that, people. You know what I mean? So as I say, this is just the final days, and for me, NEWLINK production and the whole team, and we just want to say, Rasnaldo, may your soul rest in peace. You know what I mean? Even though NEWLINK never too popularized with it as an artist out there, or you sang them like that, like playing them constantly or anything like that. But I hear your tracks already, especially Police and Gunman. You know what I mean? And if you know people, yo, D0WN artist, so I pray peace in the music. If you know, say, yo, D0WN star. So don't know, people, this is just a quick update on the thing. I don't know, so once I NEWLINK get no more update on this, we just let the people know. So viewers and subscribers.